So here we are in the program Complete Anatomy, and I just want to highlight some of these structures that we have talked about associated with the meninges. Now here we can see that the left hemisphere here, and we were talking about how some of the meninges actually wedge themselves in between various structures. So you see on this side of the brain, I've removed the cerebral hemispheres, and we're actually looking deep so they can be completely removed. And hopefully you recognize some of these structures. Like there's the putamen. Here we have the caudate nucleus, and there we can see a little bit of the hippocampus, and it's hidden behind here. And actually, maybe I'll try and remove some of that. There we go. So we can see some more structures that you may be familiar with. Deep down there, we can see part of the thalamus, etc. Okay, but why I remove the hemisphere? See, over in here, you can see that the hemisphere is still there. But over here, I've removed it, and this allows us to really see this whole structure, which is the falx cerebri, and how it really is located in between both hemispheres, and it really wedges itself in there. Now, we have some other structures that we could also have a look at since we're here. And let's head down here, because here's the tentorium cerebelli, which does a very similar thing. And we can see it over on this side a bit more clearer, that you can see how the tentorium cerebelli is wedged between the hemispheres and also the cerebellum. And then there's another structure down here where we have that sort of wedge of the dura, and that is the falx cerebri that is in there. And maybe we'll see if we can have a better look at it and remove some of these structures. There we go. So we can see we've removed part of the cerebellum, and actually it gives us a really good view. If you see inside there, you can actually see the arbor vitae, etc. So I just wanted to give you sort of a quick view of the three sort of places where the dura and the meninges really wedge in there. And this is a great program. This is Complete Anatomy. It costs a bit of money, but there may be some free programs out there that do similar things. Anyways, just want to give you sort of that 3D perspective of those three structures.